Hi everyone, this is my camera, and this camera is a digital camera. It's not a film camera. It doesn't use film. It's a digital camera. And I bought this camera about 6 years ago now. So this year is 2019, and I bought this camera in 2013. So I bought this camera 6 years ago now, in 2013. So I bought this camera in 2013, and I think it cost about $400 or $500. So I think I paid $400 or $500 for this camera when I bought it in 2013. Let's take a look at some of the things this camera has. First of all, I've attached this strap to the camera, and this part goes around my neck so I don't lose it. If I turn the camera upside down, there's this panel, so let's unlock the panel and open it and see what's inside. So here is a memory card. So I'll push the memory card and take it out. And this memory card, this part is an adapter, and the memory card is actually this small part in here. So I'll take out the memory card from the adapter here. Let's pull that out. It's very small. So this memory card holds 32 gigabytes. It can hold 32 gigabytes of photos and videos. So this memory card is very small, but it can hold many, many pictures. It can probably hold thousands of photos. So this is a 32 gigabyte memory card. And let me put it back into the adapter. So it's, I think it's a micro SD card. So I'll put it in the adapter, so then I can use this memory card with this camera. Also, beside the memory card, there is a battery. So if I push on this, the battery will pop out, and there's the battery for the camera. It's a lithium-ion battery. Like most electronics now, most things like phones and things like that, cell phones have lithium-ion batteries. So that's the battery for the camera, and I'll put the battery back inside the camera, and I will close this panel and lock it again. Then also on the bottom it says HDMI, so there's a port there. Let me see if I can open it. Oh, that's hard to open. Okay, never mind. Okay, so let's look at this side of the camera. What is on this side of the camera? On this side, there's another small panel here. So if I open that up, you can see there is a port here. This is a USB port. So I can plug in a USB cable. I can plug in a USB cable into this port and turn it the other way, and then plug it in here. And so I can plug the other end into a computer, so I can transfer photos from the memory card through the cable onto the computer, or I can plug it into an adapter and I can charge the battery through this USB cable. So I'll unplug this USB cable and close this panel. And let's take a look. Let me untangle these. So I'll untangle those cords so they don't get mixed up. And let's look at the top of the camera. So this is the top of the camera. And on top of the camera, here is the on and off button. So if I press the button, if I press the on and off button, it will, let me try that again. I'll press it, try again. There it goes. So I can turn the camera on, and if I press it again, the camera will turn off. So I'll press the button, and there, I've turned off the camera. So I can turn the camera on and turn it off with the same button. So that's the on-off button. And over here to the right of the on-off button, this button is for taking a picture. So let me turn on the camera again, and let me draw a picture. So I'll draw a little picture here to take. Maybe a face. So there's the head, there's a smile, there's the mouth, and I'll add a nose and one eye, two eyes. Here's one ear, two ears. We'll add some hair. So there is a face, and I will take the camera, and there, I can zoom in on the face, and I'll try to focus the camera. Let's try to focus it again. Let's see if I can focus the camera. So I'll zoom in. So this part lets me zoom in like this, or zoom out. So I'll zoom out like that, and I can zoom in. So I'll zoom in, then I'll press this button. I'll press it gently, and it focuses. And then if I press down on the button like this, there, I took a picture. Oh, that picture is a little bit blurry. It's a little bit hard to see. So let me try taking another picture. So I'll press play to again take a picture, and let me zoom in on the picture, or zoom out a little bit, and then press the button gently to focus, and then I will take the picture. There. Oh, it's still not in focus. So let's see. Let me take a picture of me. So I'll point the camera at myself, and then press the button on top and take a selfie, take a photo of me. So I'll smile for the picture, and there's a photo of me. So I'll press this button to see the picture of me again. Oh, there's the picture of me. Let's look at some other pictures that I took. Let's look at some other photos that I took with this camera. So if I go back, I can find a photo that I took. This is a photo of Bangkok. This is a photo that I took in Bangkok, Thailand. I took this photo. Let's see the date. When did I take this photo? I took this photo on May 14th, 2019. So this month is July, so I took it 2 months ago. So I took this photo on May 14th of 2019, and you can see it's very dark. There are many buildings here, but it's very dark. On top of the picture, you can see there's many storm clouds. There's many dark clouds, so it was about to rain a lot. There was about to be a thunderstorm. And so all these buildings in this picture are very dark. Let me zoom in on the picture. Oh, you can see there, that building is called Mahanakan. So it's very tall. You can see it has many squares. Its shape has many sort of cubes or square shapes, kind of like parts are missing from it. And if we go down here, you can see many other buildings there. Down here, there's a lot of traffic here, many cars. There's also the Sky Train here. There it is, there is the Sky Train. So over there is the Sky Train. So that is a photo I took of Bangkok in Thailand. And it says I took this photo on May 14th of 2019, and I took the photo at 5:40 p.m. Today is July, which day is it? Let me check which day it is. Oh, today is July 27th. So today is July 27th, 2019. So today is 2019, and it is July, that's the 7th month, and it's the 27th. So this photo, I took this photo on May the 14th of this year. So I took it on 2019, May is the 5th month, and on May the 14th. So I took this photo about 2 months and 13 days ago. So I took it about 2.5 months ago. So I took this photo about 2.5 months ago. So now it's July 27th. I took this photo on May 14th. I took it about 2.5 months ago. Okay, so let's look at some other parts of the camera here. Let's look at the front of the camera. So on the front of the camera, you can see the lens here. This is the zoom lens. So that is the lens. The camera has a few lenses. So the lens is made of glass. It has a few lenses, so they are zoom lenses. The lenses move to make it zoom in and out. So if I zoom in, the picture gets bigger, and if I zoom out, everything gets smaller. So I can zoom in on something like those numbers, the dates, or I can zoom out and so you can see everything, or I can try to zoom in on the face there so the face gets bigger, and I can zoom out so you can see everything there. And also we can see there's the battery life that shows that the battery is full. And also I can record movies. So if I press this button, I can record a video with this camera. So right now it's recording a video. Let's take a look at a video I recorded. I'll stop recording here. And let's look at a video that I recorded. Okay, so here's a video I took in Bangkok at night. Let me play some of it there. Oh, you can see there's cars going by. So I was going on a bus. I was on a bus going through traffic. You know, there's another bus there, and there's the stairs to the SkyTrain. So that's a video of Bangkok at night. I'll pause the video. Oh, you can see there's another bus there. It's hard to see anything else because it's at night. So it's pretty dark there. But that's a video I took with this camera. So this camera can take photos and it can take videos.